Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Papua New Guinea. So before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this uh, immigration and citizenship website of this country. Here under online services, you have eVisa portal where you have new visa application. So I'm clicking here. So here you have types of visas that you want to, you can apply. So I'm selecting visitor. So they issue easy visitor permit. Okay. And this is for 30 days. Fee is given. And you cannot take any paid work, of course. And these are the eligible passports, those who can apply. So you can see. And those countries that have this symbol can apply for 60 days. Wow. All right, and you can apply this online. So Canada, India part of this. So we can click on apply, search and type. So first search for nationality. Okay, next. Email. So you need to put your email. So I'm going to go through this and then I'm going to see you guys. So what happens is that guys, you get an email verification. There is a link you need to click where you can set your password and security question, and then you reach here. Okay. So how long you wish to stay in PNG? I select 25 days. How much funding will you, how will you be funding your stay? Own funds. Okay. You can save also the application. Next. Oh, own funds. Click on next. Name. So you need to put as per your case. I'm doing just sample. Of course, I won't be submitting the application. Oh, sorry about that. And make sure the information you put here matches your passport. Otherwise, there could be issues. All the information you see here is sample. You have to do as per your case. Passport number. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Wow. Expiry date. So guys, with dates, be very careful. Many people do minor mistakes there and then they struggle a lot. So check whatever you enter here, check at least 2 times. Not just once, 2 times. Issuing place. Okay. Alias, fam, have you ever been known by other name? If yes, provide the details. If no, hit the next button. So I'm putting next button, but if you have, definitely use it. Have you ever visited before? No. Have you ever been charged in a criminal offense? Deported? No. Or refused entry to this or any other country? You suffer from disease which will constitute a health risk to, please provide details. Residential address. Oh, there also it's asking for. Okay. Residential address. I'm just putting some sample, guys. You need to as per your case. Okay. PNG. You provide correct details. Don't do like this. Emergency contact. Provide the emergency contact. Definitely name details because it's not a mandatory field. So I'm just skipping it. But you provide that. So what are the documents asking? Evidence of funds, cover letter, purpose visit, accommodation, contact, a copy of passport, bio page. Okay, next it will go here, confirm, you confirm and pay. So of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you get an idea how to do this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.